Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, lived a curious little chimpanzee named Chip. Chip was known for his playful nature and his love for making friends. One day, while swinging from tree to tree, Chip overheard the animals talking about a magical wishing tree deep in the jungle. Intrigued, Chip decided to find this mysterious tree. He asked his friends for directions and off he went, venturing deeper into the jungle. After a long and tiring journey, he finally found the wishing tree. It was tall and beautiful, with leaves that shimmered in the sunlight. Chip approached the tree and whispered his wish. "I wish to be able to help others," he said. Suddenly, the tree began to glow, and a soft voice echoed, "Your wish is granted, little Chip." From that day forward, Chip became the jungle's helper. He fixed broken branches, found lost items, and even helped the baby animals find their way home. He was happy, knowing he was making a difference in the lives of his jungle friends. One evening, as Chip lay under the stars, he looked back at his day and felt a sense of peace and satisfaction. "I'm glad I found the wishing tree," he thought. "It taught me the importance of helping others." And so, Chip the chimpanzee continued to live his life, always ready to lend a helping hand, spreading joy and kindness wherever he went. The end.